mission since 1993 has been to produce a special aviation event that will profile helicopters' unique crucial role in law enforcement, search and rescue, homeland security, and national defense. The success of our mission has led to the Heroes Air Show in communities from coast to coast, and while the high-tech aircraft you'll see here today is a big part of our story, our real message today, and the one that we hope you'll carry with you, is no matter the unexpected perils that may arise, teamwork prevails and volunteerism will continue to thrive as it has in this great nation through those in public service for over 200 years. Hollywood teaches our children that the challenges in life are often solved with fast cars and big guns. And although this non-stop action sells tickets in theaters, what we would like to emphasize here today with our law enforcement and military partners is that the solutions to life's problems are more often resolved with teamwork, training, and personal spirit that honors family and country. It is in the real world outside the glamour and glitz of Hollywood, it's not the special effects that save the day, but rather than special people. But if you still believe Hollywood heroes have all the right stuff, then today we encourage you and your family to meet with the men and women who have brought the real stuff to Canton.